the silence, feel it in the drum. A beat that don't lie, it make your whole soul hum. It's more than sound, more than art. This is the rhythm of the heart. Rhythm of the heart, it never fades. Play through joy, play through shame. Rhythm of the heart, so pure, so true. Beating steady in me and you. Lovers touch, a mother's song. Elders teach where we belong. No need for words when rhythm plays. Say what tongue can't ever say. Close your eyes and let it guide. From lonely streets to jazz inside. It don't need stage, it don't need fame. It just need truth and your real name. Rhythm of the heart, feel it deep. Sometimes the world feel cold and rough, and even rootsmen feel like enough. But when the beat return again, I know I'm whole, I know I'm friend. Rhythm of the heart, we love apart. From the start, we move as one, till the beating's done. Sky.